Hello, this is Emily Beach, and today I'm going to talk to you about making a glass palette for oil painting. Having a glass palette is a great surface to work on. It is a great surface for mixing the paints, and it cleans up very easily. You can use paint thinner on it to wipe it clean. You can use a razor blade to scrape the paint off. So I'm just going to show you really quickly how I made mine. All I did was take this replacement glass, flip the cardboard over, place the glass on the back of the cardboard because the cardboard's white, and I used some clear packing tape to tape the glass to the cardboard all around the edges so that I wouldn't have sharp edges and that it would stay stuck to the piece of cardboard. And that is simply it. I'm not here to tell you that you have to go out and spend a lot of money on a palette, and I'm not here to tell you that you're doing something right or wrong. I would rather you spend your money on quality brushes and quality paints versus a palette. So whatever you can find to get the job done and make it work is going to be great. You might even find an old picture frame or a frame at a thrift store that you could turn into a paint palette. Make it work. Thanks for watching. Like and subscribe for more painting tutorials.